Hey, second grade, welcome back. Let's do our next lesson in chapter 5. So go ahead and get your math workbook. We're going to flip open to page 371 and 373. So rip both of those pages out for me. Or I guess you can keep them in there. I don't know. Do whatever your normal routine is for math. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's get started. Let's flip over to the back of that first page. So yesterday, or I think it was yesterday, I don't know, the last lesson, we did word problems for subtraction. Today we're going to do the same thing. The only difference is today we don't have to do the bar model. So it should hopefully be a little bit easier. So as always, this purple box is here if you have questions or you don't understand the lesson. Always go back, check out that purple box, and it should be able to help you, okay? Let's go ahead and start number 1. So it says write a number sentence for the problem. Use a box for the missing number, then solve. So number 1, there were 32 birds in the trees, then 18 birds flew away. How many birds are in the trees now? So what we're going to do, so we need to first figure out what are we trying to solve. And I'm going to read it a second time. I almost forgot. There were 32 birds in the trees. Then 18 birds flew away. How many birds are in the trees now? Now I can ask myself, what is the question? What are we trying to solve? We're trying to solve how many birds are in the trees now. What information do we need in order to solve that? We need to know that there are 32 birds in the tree and that 18 birds flew away. So, who can give me a number sentence for this problem using a box? (32 minus 18 equals box). Perfect. Then we can go ahead and solve. So, I have 32 minus 18. There we go. I'm ready to go. So, I'm starting with my ones like always. We have 2 minus 8. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door. So we're going to go next door. We have 3 tens. We're taking one of those tens to add to the ones. So now we have 12 ones. 12 minus 8. Go ahead and try and solve that. What is 12 minus 8? 4. What is 2 minus 1? 1. So our answer is 14. 14. That's how many birds are in the trees now. Number 2. Carla read 43 pages in her book. Joe read 32 pages in his book. How many more pages did Carla read than Joe? Let's read it one more time. Carla read 43 pages in her book. Joe read 32 pages in his book. How many more pages did Carla read than Joe? All right, what are we trying to solve? What's the question? How many more pages did Carla read than Joe? And did you guys hear that super awesome math word, than? What does than mean? It means subtraction, right? If you see than, it means we're comparing two things. So if we compare in math, that means we are subtracting. So let's go ahead and figure out a number sentence for this problem. We have Carla read 43 and Joe read 32. Go ahead and write down what your number sentence would be. Okay, hopefully you wrote down 43 minus 32 equals box. All right, then we can go ahead and solve once we get that written down. So we have 43 minus 32. We can solve it. So as always, we're going to start with our ones. We have 3 minus 2. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the top. No need to stop. So we're good to go. We can go ahead and subtract 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 minus 3? 1. So our answer is 11. 11 more pages. Okay. Now I want you to do is try on the next page to do 3 and 4 on your own. And pause this video and we will check back and see how you did and see if you got your problems correct. All right? So see you in just a few minutes. All right. Hey, second grade. Welcome back. I hope you did yours and you worked on those problems. Here are the correct answers. As you can see here, I made some mistakes. I didn't read the question carefully when I first solved it. Then when I went back to check my work, which is why it's super important to check your work, I noticed that I didn't do it correctly. So I had to go ahead and fix my answers. And now I think I have the right one. Okay? So go ahead and check your work. When you're finished, go ahead and finish the rest of the problems. Check with a grown-up at home. And then you are good to go. All right? I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you all soon.